Today, we're diving into some fantastic sewing organization ideas for small spaces. If you're passionate about sewing but struggle with a lack of room, this video is for you. Let's talk about vertical storage. Utilize wall space by installing pegboards. These are perfect for hanging tools like scissors, rulers, and thread spools. Add a few hooks and baskets to keep everything within arm's reach. Next, consider using clear containers for fabric storage. Stackable plastic bins or clear drawers allow you to see your fabric choices at a glance. Label each container to keep your collection neat and easy to navigate. A rolling cart can be a game changer in a small sewing area. These versatile carts can hold your sewing machine, supplies, and even fabric. Plus, you can move them around as needed, giving you flexibility and extra workspace when required. Don't forget about the power of a foldable sewing table. These tables can be folded down when not in use, saving precious floor space. Some models even come with built-in storage, so you can keep your sewing essentials tucked away neatly. For those tiny tools and notions, consider using a tackle box or a jewelry organizer. These containers have multiple compartments that are perfect for storing buttons, needles, and thread. You can easily tuck these away in a drawer or on a shelf. Shelving units are also your best friend in small spaces. Use adjustable shelves to customize your storage. Place baskets or bins on these shelves to organize your patterns, books, and larger sewing tools. Speaking of shelves, floating shelves above your sewing station can hold jars of buttons, spools of thread, and decorative items that inspire you. This keeps your desktop clear while adding a touch of personal flair to your space. Another tip is to use over-the-door organizers. These are perfect for holding fabric scraps, patterns, or even small tools. They make use of otherwise wasted space and keep your sewing supplies within easy reach. Lastly, always keep a designated scrap bin nearby. This helps you stay organized and makes cleanup a breeze. You can use a small basket or a bag hung on the side of your sewing table.
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. The guide is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.